Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 2, which is this one in our paper pumpkin kit. So let's go ahead and start building. All right, so what we need to do, so we've got our card base, which is going to go this way. And we've got our card front, we've got joy, we've got the words joy. We need to ink up to the world on here. We've got our little pieces of embellishment. So let's start off by doing the stamping, and I'm just going to do it on here just so you've got an idea. You can see better than against the white surface. So let's just stamp that off. And this is nice and crisp. It's got good coverage, so that's good. We're going to ink it back up again, make sure we've actually fully inked it. And then to the world goes down here like this. So we've got joy to the world. Okay, so now what do we need to do? We need to take this and we need to put the tear and tape on it. This and all of these, which are really hard to pick up. There we go. And these. So let's just sort out what we need. I need tear and tape to start with. And so we need to put tear and tape across the back of the card front, the same as we did with the other one. So we're going to do that. Okay. 2 and 3. Okay, I'm just going to pop that off to the side, and I'm going to bring these letters a little bit closer to me. So we need to put tear and tape on the letters as well. So I'm going to put some there, and I need a small piece on each side of the O. The nice thing about the tear and tape is if you're a little bit off and it kind of extends a little bit over the area that you want to adhere, you can just roll it back on itself. It's super, super easy that way. Okay, so we need to put some there like that. And I can see already there's just a couple of little ends that I'm going to have to manage. Okay, so the tear and tape is done there. I'm finished with the tear and tape. Now I need my dimensionals, and I'm going to put one here and one here. Same thing again. Okay, and then on the joy, I need to put one there, one there, one there, one there, and then 3 in the middle. And then it looks like I need some adhesive dots as well. So I'm going to put an adhesive dot up here and one down here. Okay. So then I need to take these and I need to adhere them like this. I think I'm adhering them to the back of this. So this one I need to put here like this. Okay. And then this one I need to put like this. Okay. And I need to add, they want me to add the letters now. So let's do the letters. You're probably all looking at the video going, do the letters, do the letters. And here I am doing the letters. Okay. So this will sit like that. And then the trick is not to bend the letters while you're trying to work with them. Okay. I've got a little bit of adhesive over there, so I'm just going to pop that back. And there we go. And then the O goes at a little bit of an angle. Just line it up with what's on the base. Pop that down. Okay, and this one extended over the top a little bit. So we're just going to peel that up and then just fold that back on itself. And then peel the bottom off. Okay, and I'm just checking, and there's nothing else on the Y. But I imagine you could probably put a glue dot on there, and I'm going to do that. They don't show it here, but I'm just afraid that that's just going to kind of flow free and bend. So I'm going to put an adhesive dot just on the dot of that Y, just so it has a way to stick down. And then we're going to line this up and pop it down. So otherwise this would be just like flapping around, and I wouldn't want the card to get damaged. Okay, so now let's make sure our card front is the correct way up. Again, we're peeling the backings off of our adhesives here. There we go. And there we are. So we're going to place this down right in the middle, like that. And then we're going to take all of these and peel all of the backings off. We have got tons of dimensionals on the back of this one. So we're just going to work through them all, peel them all off. And it is indeed Monday, and usually I do my paper pumpkin videos on a Sunday to start the week. But my paper pumpkin kit was delayed and didn't arrive until this morning. So I got home from grocery shopping, and there it was, and I had to be so disciplined and put all my groceries away before I came down and started playing with the kit. So we're going to just pop this down and do our joy to the world, and then we're going to take our sequins. I need 2 large ones, and I think the large ones go in the middle. Oh, see, these keep coming off without the adhesive on them. Yep, they're all coming off without the adhesive. I am going to take my tool, my piercing tool, and use it to peel the backing or the adhesive backing off, and just pop it down. And then we'll place our sequins down. There we go. And then I need little ones. And yeah, these are all peeling off, leaving the backing behind. So if you have a better way to do this, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's got no backing on it at all. Let me know in the comments if you've got a better way to pick these off without leaving the backing behind. Okay, so we need this one, and we're going to pop it there, and I'm going to pick another one up and put it here, and then the third one goes down here, and that will be the second project in the October 2025 Cozy Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for project number 3 and then that first alternate card.